Herrmannsdorfer Landwerkstätten is an innovative concept which combines organic farming, artisanal food production and direct marketing within our region and through our own shops. Animal welfare is extremely important for us, that the animals who provide our food have had a good life. We work with old animal breeds, for example the Schwäbisch Hellish pig, that gives us excellent meat. They have good mother instincts and they are robust enough to live outside. We also raise chickens that serve two purposes: by laying eggs and give us excellent meat. The brothers of our laying hens are not killed immediately after they hatch. In our butcher shop, which use warm meat technology, we slaughter 70 pigs, a dozen cows, 25 lambs and 10 calves a week. The animals also come from our approximately 100 partner farmers whose livelihood we secure by processing our meat products directly after slaughtering. While the meat is still warm, we are able to do without artificial additives. Our approximately 100 varieties of sausage and ham have exceptional flavor. At our farm we also have a whole grain sourdough bakery, a cheese dairy that use only unpasteurized milk, our brewery for unfiltered beer, a vegetable garden, a coffee roasting plant and a schnapps distillery. So all basic foods are produced here and people can come and see everything. We have proof that it's possible to produce honest organic foods made from animals that have lived well. We have demonstrated that we can produce handcrafted foods and sell them successfully within our region, also in larger volumes. We have shown the way for many other food producing businesses. We respond to our customers' wish for real, honest regional foods. We have been successful because we always ensure high quality of our products. We maintain high level of transparency at all stages of our food production. Give us your vote. With your vote, show that you believe that artisanal and sustainable food production, in contrast to large-scale food industry, can be viable business models for the future.